What is it that you can tell me about that goes on behind the scenes, underground, above ground, all around, that keeps the university running in terms of facilities, in terms of heating, cooling, all those kind of issues that nobody knows about?
Sure. Our facilities department, we got over 600 employees. They just do an outstanding job. And part of what we do, not only our custodial and our grounds, it's our utility management system in the entire campus. And so we have 3 plants on campus. We're producing over 36,000 tons of chill water that we're producing and sending out to the buildings in the middle of summer when it's 115 degrees. We're also trying to drive down costs. We have thermal ice that we produce that helps us go ahead and lower our overall electrical cost. Our utility bill on average is about $38 million. We've been able to lower that millions and millions over the years because of the hard work of our facilities management and utility staff.
Tell me a little bit about how you interact with students, because you're having to keep us all supported, but at the same time they're learning and teaching opportunities.
Definitely. You know, we have several themes within our facilities department. One of them is we run it like a business, extremely effective and efficient, but also we graduate students. 40 to 50 classes will come through these power plants, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers. It's just a great collaborative effort.
Yeah, I think it fits right in with our land grant mission. I mean, these are all the kind of things that we're trying to help our students get skills and knowledge to go out there and be competitive in this very rapidly changing world, and data is a big one.
It takes a great team. Harnessing the big data so we can make real-time decisions that have positive benefits in our operations. And then as the strategic plan continues moving forward, it's going to give additional opportunities to do other initiatives if we're being extremely efficient on our operations side of the house.
What are some of the technological or evolutionary changes you see coming down we need to be aware of?
We have a 10-year plan right now to take all our buildings on campus and have the building automation systems all computerized. And so we're dealing with some older systems. If we can compress that to 5 years, we're going to see even more positive benefits in terms of financial benefits and operational benefits, which also then have major benefits for the culture inside the buildings, for the academics, for the students, for the research. We have 800 meters that we've installed underground, and we can go ahead and read every one of those each morning and see a variance analysis.
Right.
You can go ahead and look at the monitors, you can measure what's above the variance line, and then make the proper decisions what needs to be repaired in a timely fashion.
This is like running a small city. We are a small city, and the ability to look at policies, but also the hands-on experiential problem solving. These are all the things that we hope that our students are going to acquire as skills and knowledge for critical thinking, collaborative teamwork, because you've got incredible collaborative teamwork. And I just appreciate the reality check of seeing it in practice right here today. We're not talking about something futuristic. You're doing it every day.